Ever lost your iPhone and need to find it, but can't use your own because, well, it's lost? Today, we're diving into how to locate your lost iPhone using a friend or family member's device. A crucial trick when you're in a pinch, but remember this only works if you're connected. So let's start with some prerequisites first, and most importantly, both iPhones need to be linked under the same Apple ID or belong to the same family sharing group. This confirms you have permission to view the location of the other device. Step 1. Grab the other iPhone, open the Settings app, and at the top make sure the Apple ID is logged in or linked to the family sharing group. Next, tap the Find My option. It often sits a bit below the Apple ID. Ensure Find My iPhone is toggled on. This setting is critical, allowing the device to be located. Open the Find My app. This app is pre-installed and should be on the home screen. Scroll down to the People or Devices tab, depending on what you're trying to locate. If it's your iPhone, tap Devices. You'll presented with a map displaying the last known location of your missing iPhone. Tap on your phone's icon. On the map you'll see options like Play Sound, which is super helpful if your device is nearby. Get Directions will provide navigation to its location. Finally, and very important, Mark as Lost allows you to lock your device and display a message. Remember, always respect privacy. Only use this method for finding your own lost device. That's it. You are good to go.